We will discuss today kung paano magmultiply and divide ng integers or sign numbers. Okay, but let us start with multiplication of integers. Ito lang yung rule sa multiplication of integers. Kapag meron kang like sign, the same sign, let's say positive times positive or negative times negative, the answer is positive. Okay? But if you have unlike signs, let's say positive times negative or negative times positive, the answer is negative. I give some examples. Sabihin natin, yung example natin ay 20 times, let's say, negative 3. Okay. Now, you can also write this one as 20 times negative 3. Yung dot is also multiplication. Parenthesis is also multiplication. Pero hindi tayo gumagamit dito ng ganyang symbol, no? Kasi baka mapagkamalan siyang variable na x. Okay? So, I will use yung parenthesis. Now, just look at the given numbers. Ano ang sign ni 20? That's positive. What is the sign of 3? That's negative. Unlike sign or like sign? Of course, magkaiba ng sign yan. So, unlike signs, your answer is negative. What is 20 times 3? That is 60. So, our answer is negative 60. Okay? Now, let's have another one. Let's say negative 4 times negative 5. Look at the given numbers. Negative, negative. So, therefore, like sign. The answer is positive. Pero, hindi na natin ilalagay yung symbol na plus, no? So, what is 4 times 5? That is 20. So, understood that the sign is positive, hindi mo na ilalagay yung symbol na plus. Okay? Now, let's have another one. Let's say negative 6 times 8. Okay? Just look at the numbers. Negative, positive. So, unlike signs. So, the answer is negative. And what is 6 times 8? That is 48. So, ang sagot natin ay negative 48. Okay? Now, let's have another one. Let's say 21 times negative 2. Unlike signs or like sign. So, positive yung 21, yung 2 ay negative. So, unlike signs, the sign is negative. What is 21 times 2? That is 42. So, our answer is negative 42. Tandaan, hindi natin tinitingnan kung sino ang maliit o malaking number. Just follow the rule, no? Like sign, positive. Unlike signs, negative. Let's have another one. Let's say negative 6 times 0. Okay, so what is 6 times 0? That is 0. Ano ang sign? Ilalagay mo ba ang negative? Hindi. Kasi ang 0 ay hindi positive, hindi rin siya negative. That is a neutral number. So, wala kang ilalagay na positive o wala ka rin ilalagay na negative sa 0. Your answer is just simply 0. Okay? Now, let us proceed to the division of integers. Si multiplication and division ay magkapatid yan. Iisa lang ang rule sa pag-simplify niyan. So, kapag like sign, positive. Kapag unlike signs, negative. Pero ang kaibahan nga lang nila, syempre sa division, you have to divide the numbers. Okay? Let's say, for example, 45 divided by 5. Okay? This is the symbol for division. Or you can write 45 divided by 5. They are the same. Okay? Now, so, tingnan mo ang sign nila. Positive divided by positive. So, like sign. What is our answer? Of course, positive. Pero hindi natin ilalagay yung plus na symbol. Then, we divide this. 45 divided by 5. That is 9. Positive 9. So, our answer is 9. Okay? Now, let's try another one. Negative 10 divided by 10. Look at the symbol, or look at the signs. Negative divided by positive. Unlike signs, so iyan ay negative. What is 10 divided by 10? That is 1. So our answer is negative 1. Okay? Let's have another one. Let's say 20 divided by negative 2. Unlike signs or like sign? Unlike. Positive, negative. So, magkaiba. Our sign now is negative. What is 20 divided by 2? That is 10. So, our answer is negative 10. Okay? Let's have number 4. Let's say negative 16 divided by negative 4. Like sign or unlike signs? Parehas negative. So, like sign. What is our answer? Positive. No? So, hindi natin ilalagay yung symbol na plus. 16 divided by 4, that is 4. So, kahit walang symbol na plus, understood that it is positive.